Welcome to my channel. I can't believe this is my 40th video. In this tutorial, I will be creating some 3D outdoor signage. I got these wooden block letters at Michael's. With these block letters, you can do so much to dress it up, but I decided to use moss to cover the letters. I apply the glue onto the letters and put on the moss. I'm working in sections so the glue doesn't dry up before I get to the section. Since this is outdoor use, I want to affix everything securely so that my signage will last. Off camera, I spray the letters with a layer of adhesive glue or a sealer to really secure the moss. Once the moss is dried, I clean the edges with scissors to cut off the excess moss. I found this galvanized metal sheet that fits my lettering perfectly, but a wooden board works just as well for this project. The next step is to glue the letters onto my metal sheet. I'm using E6000 glue to secure the letters permanently. I apply the glue with a brush to cover the surface of the letters. Since E6000 glue is a thicker glue, I find that using a popsicle stick to evenly spread it is easier than using a brush. Once the letters are glued on, I add on flowers and butterflies to create a floral summer theme. I use hot glue because these accents are not too heavy and hot glue dries quicker than E6000 glue. This is great for both outdoor and indoor use. If you do not have a metal sheet and moss, then creating a simple 3D signage is beautiful too. For my next signage, I'm using different style block letters and a plank of wood like a fence or a piece of shelving. I will keep it simple and just paint the letters. Make sure your paint can withstand water as it is intended for outdoor use. I also paint my wooden plank. I'm painting in a sky and grass scene. If you follow my channel, then you know how much I love to decoupage. It is a fast and easy way to create any image on any surface. I select clip art of sunflowers in different sizes and print them on regular printing paper, then I cut them out. For the signage, I will decoupage on sunflowers to make it look like a field of flowers. In my previous video on decoupaging, I used Mod Podge, but this time I am using polyacrylic. I feel that polyacrylic doesn't bubble up like the Mod Podge medium. I apply a layer of polyacrylic on the board, then I lay on the flowers. Then I apply a top layer of polyacrylic over the flowers. If you want to learn more about this process, you can check out my video on how to decoupage. last step is to glue on the letters. I use a popsicle stick to spread the E6000 glue. This is great as a yardstake or nail on the wall or hang it over a door. These 3D outdoor signages are a great way to add text and personalize your own message. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.